Indian media said that Ofcom, UK media regulator, pulled up Zakir Naik for inflammatory speeches. Yes, the Ofcom is a regulatory body which checks the programs of all the satellite channels for which it has given downlinking rights. And as I told you earlier, that Peach TV has downlinking rights in UK. And most of the channels, especially these channels, they are monitored and they're giving notices. In the last 9 years that we are broadcasting in UK, hardly a few times, surely less than 9 times, have we received notices of clarification from Ofcom. That means on average, less than 1 time a year have we received notice for clarification. And amongst all the notices that we received, few were on my lectures, not all of them. Very few, maybe 2, 3. And all the notices that we received till date, we have replied to all. And the UK regulatory body has been satisfied with all our answers except the last that we gave regarding a speech that was given on the Urdu channel by another speaker on the Peach TV, and that we agree it skipped our check. We have a check. Any program that goes on Peach TV, there are 2 sets of people who check every program. That is it following the law of the country and is it following our rules and regulations that we have laid down. We have not been fined a single time. If there is a problem and if the Ofcom feels that there is something wrong, surely they will fine us. Till date, we have not been fined a single time. And to say that the Ofcom says my speeches are inflammatory, they ask for clarification of certain contexts I have given, and they have been satisfied. To say that I give inflammatory speeches is again an allegation of the Indian media.